The author of the text is Shiv Prasad Mishra, Rudra. Through this text, the author has described the song playing society's boundless love for the country, resentment against foreign rule, and a strong desire to throw off the chains of subjugation. In a village, there lived a woman named Dulari who worked as a dancer and singer. Dulari's body was as strong as a wrestler's. She used to eat chickpeas with onions and green chilies after working out, wrapped in a dhoti like Marathi women. She was famous for singing a song on the instrument called dukhad. Everybody used to respect his singing. She was very good at answering questions in the song. Once, the Jojwa group's side of the river started to search for answers from the gutto of the river Dulari's village. Tunnu answered questions with her for the first time in a melodious voice. After listening to Tunnu's praise from Dulari's mouth, Feku Sardar hit Tunnu with a stick. Dulari had saved Tunnu from that death. Dulari then felt his love for her. Even after coming to Dulari's house, Tunnu remained silent. Never showed love. A day before Holi, Tunnu came to Dulari's house. He gave Dulari a woven sari of Khadi ashram. Dulari scolded him a lot and threw the sari. Tunnu was humiliated and started crying. His tears started falling on the sari thrown by Dulari. He revealed his love for the first time and said that his mind is not bound by form and age. After Tunnu leaves, Dulari kisses the tear stains on the sari. Dulari met Tunnu 6 months ago. He had felt love so closely for the first time in his declining years. She kept it at the bottom of her clothes. Dulari was also worried while thinking that Tunnu and his love were love. At the same time, Sardar Feku came with a bundle of dhoti in Dulari's closet. Feku Sardar promised to give him a Banarsi sari on the Tej. When Dulari and Feku Sardar were conversing, at that time a group of people burning holika came out from their house. 4 people were holding a chadar on which people were putting dhoti, kameez, kurta, cap, etc. Dulari also threw Sardar's diya, lamp. Most people were throwing old clothes to burn. Intelligence police reporter Ali Sagir, who was following the procession, also spotted Dulari. Dulari threw Sardar out of the house by beating him with a broom on something. As soon as Feku got out of Dulari's house, he met a police reporter, who he was shocked to see. All the women in Dulari's courtyard gathered together. All together calmed Dulari. Everyone was surprised that Feku Sardar had kept his wishes on Dulari, so why did he kill him today? Dulari says that if the throw had made her a queen, then she had also given her honor and respect to her. A woman's respect is worth nothing. All the women were sitting and talking when Jingur came and told that Tunnu Maharaj was killed by the white soldiers and they took away the dead body. The news of Tunnu's death came out of Dulari's fire. Her neighbors were also shocked to see Dulari's condition. She wore a simple dhoti. She asked Jingur for the address of Tunnu's martyrdom site and left the house to go there. The Munshi of the police station came out of the house and the Sardar asked him to walk in the police station and sing in the ceremony of Aman Sabha. The chief correspondent asked Sharmaji to open a tea shop by leaving the newspaper's report on the table. The son of the sun brought by Adhya is called Laila, the beginning of the story. He is not the one who has to be enlightened, Lord. On this, the editor asked Sharmaji to read the report. Sharmaji titled his report, Ehi Thaya Jhulni Herani Ho Rama. According to his report, there was a complete strike in the city yesterday on the 6th of April on the appeal of the leaders. Khomchewale were also on strike. A procession of holy torchbearers was going out by collecting foreign clothes from the morning. He was accompanied by the famous Kajli singer Tunnu. the procession ended by reaching the town hall. When everyone started leaving, Jamadar's police's Jamadar Ali Sagir was given to the world. When Tunu retorted, Jamadar tripped him with his boot. This hurt his ribs. The white soldiers picked him up, put him in a cart and rushed him to Varuna instead of taking him to the hospital, which the reporter also witnessed. This tunna was related to Gonharin named Dulari. Yesterday evening, Dulari was made to dance and sing at a function organized by Aman Sabha in the town hall, where not a single representative of the public was present. Dulari was very sad due to Tunu's death. She was wearing a simple khadi dhoti. She did not want to sing at the place where her lover was murdered 8 hours ago. Still, at the behest of the infamous Jamadar Ali Sagir, she sang in a painful voice. The author kept singing while keeping her eyes fixed on the place where Tunu had fallen. While singing, tears started flowing from her eyes as if the drops of water that had spilled after throwing Tunu's body in Varuna had now flowed from Dulari's eyes. The editor found the report to be true, but he was unable to print it.
Dear students, if you found this explanation helpful, please share this video with your friends so they can also benefit from it. I've included links to summaries of other lessons in the description. Be sure to check those out as well. For more lesson explanations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.